Hi everyone, welcome to this student management system tutorial series. In this series, we are going to build a complete real world full stack web application from scratch. For this project, we will use technologies like Java Servlets, JSP with JSTL, HTML and Bootstrap. And for the database, we will use Oracle database. In this series, I will explain each and every part of the application, including all the JSP pages, servlets, database interaction, and the complete flow of the project from start to finish. So if you want to understand how a real Java web application works step by step, this series will help you learn that. Now let's take a look at the application that we are going to build in this series. This is our student management system application, and when we run the application, so the login page will appear. Let me give you the details of the admin. And click on login. So the Chrome is giving some warning regarding the password because the password is weak. Just close it, we don't need to worry about it. And then this is the admin page. So here we have a navbar, and navbar has actions, dashboard, students, add student, admin, and logout. And I have a side panel here. So even in the side panel I have the same details, and then a welcome followed by a admin name, and then dashboard quick actions. So if we click on the view students, so whoever the students that are there in the database, we have a list of students here. And then if we click on add student, so we can add students to the table. Let me give some name. I have given some student details, and if I click on the save student, so here I have a message, student Smith added successfully. And at the top of the table I have a new row added with ID 1015 Smith Wood and his email and all the details. So this is about add student, and there are actions. So if you click on edit, so the another form will appear with the details of the student. So if you would like to change some details, you can change it. Let me say I will change department from physics to computer science. And then click on update student. So here you will get a message, student updated successfully. And if you go and look at the department of the student Smith, so here it is updated to computer science. So that is about actions. And if you would like to click on delete, so click on delete. And are you sure you want to delete this student? So a Chrome based warning will appear. If you click on OK, then a delete request will be raised and student will be deleted. So here you can see message student with ID 1015 deleted successfully. And if you click on dashboard, it will take us to dashboard again. Here if you click on admin details, so admin details will be displayed. So admin name is Sarah and ID is 2, and his email and password is not visible. And click on dashboard again. So this is about our student management system application. And if you click on logout, so it will be logged out and another login page will be displayed. So this is the complete overview of the student management system application that we are going to build in this series. As you have seen, the admin can log into the system, view all students, add new students, update existing student details, and also delete students from the database. In the next video, we will start building this project from scratch. First, we will create our dynamic web project in Eclipse, configure the project properly, and then set up the Oracle database that we will use to store our student data. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.